Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
I will show 3 practical ways to get Wi-Fi without a router right now. First, use your smartphone as a hotspot to share cellular data with other devices. Second, turn a Windows or Mac laptop into a Wi-Fi hotspot using its built-in settings and a wired internet source. Third, plug in a USB cellular modem or dedicated mobile hotspot device for a stable connection with its own battery. Each method works differently and suits various situations and budgets. Begin by enabling mobile hotspot on your Android or iPhone and set a strong password. On Android, go to Settings, Connections, Mobile Hotspot, and configure name and password. On iPhone, open Settings, Personal Hotspot, and allow others to join with the displayed password. For Windows, open Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Hotspot, and choose which connection to share over Wi-Fi. For Mac, open System Preferences, Sharing, check Internet Sharing, and choose the interface to share from. Always secure your hotspot with WPA2 or WPA3 encryption and a strong alphanumeric password. Limit the number of connected devices to preserve speed and conserve data on metered plans. Monitor data usage frequently because mobile hotspots can use hundreds of megabytes per hour during streaming. If speeds drop, move the hotspot device closer to clients or change its channel to avoid interference. Restart the phone, laptop, or USB modem and update device drivers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.